This car's just arrived Christmas Eve. It will sell instantly. Trust me, it's a 110 Defender SE in Santorini black, 240 brake horsepower with beautiful specification. So it's got panoramic sunroof. It's got the comfort and convenience package. It's got 20-inch wheels. It's got the clear sight camera. It's got unbelievable spec. Most importantly, it's priced $67,990. It will sell because these cars, 110s, SEs, in that type of price range, sub £70,000, just sell instantly. It's an SE model, so what that comes with is just specification. So if we start with the front, you don't get standard headlights, you get adaptive LED headlights. You get the front, see this big front underbarm section, that comes with the SE model. All the sensors are built in, but you've got all the cameras as well around the car. Wheels, upgraded, they're 20-inch wheels, finished in like an anthracite colour. Lovely, as you would expect, beautiful condition. This car's got side steps, which are an option, finished colour-coded in the Santorini black as well. And then also, when you move around the rear, spare wheel cover, colour-coded. So it's a great car. It's done just under 13,000 miles. Great specification. 110s at the moment. If I could buy 10 110s today, we would sell them all, but you can't. You can't get them. We are lucky enough to get the level of four-wheel drives we do. Inside, it's all keyless. Press that button there, and the car opens. And then you get some, this is when you see the differences on specifications, because people, unless you start studying the Defenders, it's about the spec and what you pay for. So if you look here, it's got memory seats, it's got Meridian sound system, it's got electric seats. I'm just going to start the car up. It's all keyless start. Bags and bags of space as well in Defenders. Sunroof. Now an SE doesn't come with a sunroof, so you pay for an SE, then you have to pay for an optional extra sliding sunroof, which is an expensive option, nearly £2,000. It's got it. One thing which I absolutely love, especially on a four-wheel drive, is heated steering wheel. So it's got that as well. On top of that, you've got your multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control, all your different features there. Clear sight camera, another camera there on top of the fantastic 3D and surround camera that you get on the new generation Defenders. Look at that, it's superb. Things standard, heated seats, which you can just turn on, there we go. Air suspension, you don't get that on a 90, you get that on a 110. Touchscreen navigation with all your different options, your digital climate control, your apps, all on there. Very, very easy to use. USB chargers. I mentioned it earlier, this car's got the comfort and convenience package. So that gives you a fridge in here. Quite rare, I don't get many of them. And then also, if we lift this up, keyless charging. Wireless charging. I always say keyless, but it's wireless. In the back, bags of space. And you've got all things, you know, I've got a Defender, and when the kids are in the car, they love all the little chargers and things in the back of the seats when they're charging the phones and their iPads. As you can see, very practical, bags of room. It looks superb there. If you see how I've opened that sunroof, so it looks really, really well. And then here, on the 110, something that a lot of people don't know, it's got a soft closed door on a 110. So if you don't shut it properly, it does it itself. And then, I think why the 110s are so desirable is the space. Massive boot space, and you've got loads of space in the front and back. So this car's got key features. SE, so you get all the Meridian, the memory seats, sliding sunroof, 20-inch wheels, side steps, spare wheel cover. Condition wise, it's lovely. Still got warranty with Land Rover till the end of 2023, and Land Rover Assist. Fantastic car, going live, 67,990. Call me direct. Over Christmas, I can answer your calls, I can answer your questions, you can reserve it. It's ready to collect. You can come and collect the car when is suitable. Give me a call and I'll hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.